this guy right here comes off. It's just held on by clips. Then you got one more right here, also held on by clips. There's one screw right here, it's plastic. Same thing over here. Come on, man. There he goes. Got one more right here. Then, oh, this handle right here. If you guys notice, there's a little spot right here. Pull this guy out. These two screws. One here. One here. And then this thing should, look at that, came down like it was nothing. It's just held on by these guys. So to take this piece off, just continue to take more bolts off. It's got a lot more of these number 8s. You got one here, you got one here. There's a couple here. We got one there, one here. Whoa, there goes that bolt. That's the taillight bolt. Looks like we got all the bolts out. Let's see if, oh, I gotta get this side out too. That means we gotta take this guy out over here, and then get this thing out of the way. Look at that. No more 8 over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and, there's one more clip over here. Remove that. Let's see. These clips, I didn't want to break any of this stuff, so and you're gonna go ahead and unplug it from the inside. From the inside, which is right here, there's a plug. This little guy that locks and unlocks this guy. And then this comes off. If you can't get to these clips into the right spot, give enough pressure. I've snapped one before, so be very careful. Or bring it into us, we can do it too.